Save with Crypto has to be one of the best YouTube channels that the United States has ever seen. Kamala Harris is not a subscriber, but I am. I have notifications set to all as well. I'd strongly suggest you subscribe to Save with Crypto today. Above all, you should tell your friends.
Save with Crypto is not a financial advisor. He just makes ice cream on the internet. If you can't find anyone to do your own research, you should do it yourself, like I did.
Hi there, Save with Crypto. Yeah, so looking at this pullback we've had today, it's kind of making sense to me now, because if you get the Fibonacci tool, right, and you go from that low there, which was the first low after this kind of big run up here, so let's go from that low there, then go over to the high, right, then what you've just seen is the price come down to 618, which is what Bitcoin likes to do, isn't it? Then at the moment we're almost back at the 0.5, which is not technically a Fibonacci level, but for some reason Bitcoin does seem to sort of gravitate towards it. So that's where we are at the moment. So if that was a bounce off the 618, that's good. I must say the bounce isn't that strong though, so I'm not convinced it's going to last. If it comes down further, the golden pocket is between the 618 and the 786, 90,670 down to 88,239. So personally, I'd say if we stay above 90,670, we'll be okay. But if not, we're probably going to come down to 88,200. So I don't think there's anything too much to worry about. I can't see us getting 100k though before the weekend. I know a lot of people are talking about the Thanksgiving effect, where people talk about buying Bitcoin over Thanksgiving. I can't see it myself, but there again, I'm not an American, so I wouldn't know. But yeah, I don't know if that is a real thing. Now then, looking through my watch list on TradingView, everything's looking pretty red. Or so I thought, and then I came down here and I saw like EGLD BTC looking quite green. XTP, funny enough, looking okay. I'll have to talk about that in a future video. But yeah, UTK, that's up. Yeah, so that made me think that I ought to be looking at the XLauchPad and the current project that's on there. So let's go and look at that. So this is the XLauchPad, and I'm logged in using the XPortal on my phone. So let's have a quick look what this is about. AI Nexus. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, anything that says AI is probably going to do well, isn't it? Mobile Generative Social Playground. No, to be honest, I can't even be bothered to read that. It just sounds like your usual kind of stuff, doesn't it? So what I did, I went ahead and did the KYC. It was actually really quite straightforward, really. It was just a sort of, scan your passport and sort of wobble your head around in front of your phone, and it's done. It took about 24 hours to get approved. Yeah, so as far as staking eGold goes, I'm not going to bother this time, really, because the project doesn't really interest me, but, if I can make a bit of money out of it, then I will. I'm going to use the energy that I've got from X Exchange, with all the XMEX. I'm going to use that. So the timeline is we've done the research phase, KYC phase. So that's from November the 11th, which was like about a week or so ago, to December the 1st, which is Sunday, I think. So if you are going to do this, you need to get that done pretty pronto. And then the snapshots are from November the 11th to December the 1st. Now what's new for this one is these challenges. So you can complete challenges, earn points, earn extra tickets. What do you have to do for that? So here you can do things like, is that like a daily claim thing? Yes, it's got things like this, and it wants me to connect my wallet. I don't really want to do that, to be honest. Make 10 on-chain transactions. Yeah, I don't know what this Pulsar money is, so I'm not going to do that. And why do I need to connect my wallet to follow MultiversX? Yeah, I don't know. Not particularly interested in that, to be honest. Okay, so let's have a quick look back at Bitcoin. It has come up a little bit from this bottom that was about 8:30 p.m. UTC. And what we really want to see is a higher low. So say that was a low there, that was a low there. And then you see what we got there is a low there, and then now we're going to probably have a low here. And what we really want to see is a low up there. So that would need to get up to about 96k to do that. Can't quite see that at the moment. Meanwhile, what I'm going to look for on the 5-minute time frame with my exponential moving averages, what I'm looking for here is that yellow crossing the green. Now it did do that this afternoon, and the price did go up quite reasonably, but then unfortunately it came back down again. But I think a lot of that was to do with FOMC stuff. Not quite sure exactly what was happening there. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on that yellow and green line there. If you want to know about these moving averages, please do check out the video that's linked at the end of this video. Okay, I'm going to leave it there because I'm still not 100%. I've still got this sore throat that's like really doing my head in. It's not much fun at all, actually. So I was going to say thanks very much for watching. Please do make sure you are subscribed and leave a nice comment and like the video and all that good stuff. And I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, take care.
Save with Crypto is a totally dope YouTube channel. Many of you know that I always have my mind on my money and my money on my mind. If it's flipping crypto, I'm Blofin, be the best crypto flipper in the world. Whatever it is you do, you have to master your craft. Everyone should own Bitcoin, maybe a whole Bitcoin. There are no fun if the homies can't have none. The thing is, you don't get respect if you don't deserve it. Save with Crypto deserves the ultimate respect. Do like all his videos. Subscribe with notifications on all. And above all, tell your friends.